Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to share with you all a secret body pack to beautify your hands and legs, not only your hands and legs but your overall skin. Now this beauty secret was shared by one of my friend from South. So she had worked with me in my previous company and she had this gorgeously glowing and shiny complexion. So when I inquired about her body care routine, she shared the secret to me. So now I'm going to pass her beauty secret to you guys. So keep watching. So you need half cup of besan, that is a chickpea flour. It effectively removes impurities, dead skin cells and lightens tan. The next thing that you need is 1 tablespoon of wild turmeric, that is your kasturi manjal. Helps in exfoliating and keeps your skin healthy, youthful and glowing. Then add 1 tablespoon of tulsi, that is the holy basil powder. Tulsi keeps your skin clear and smooth. It helps in curing skin infection and prickly heats. Then add 2 tablespoons of white sesame oil. It repairs damaged skin, helps in skin lightening and grants a healthy glow. Then add 1/4 cup of coconut oil, naturally antibacterial, antifungal and hydrating. She also adds a pinch of camphor, so this is optional. Camphor doesn't suit my skin, so I'll skip this ingredient. Combine all the ingredients together until you get a thin consistency. If your paste turns out to be thick, then add some more coconut oil. So my friend, she stores the mixture in a squeeze bottle so that it's easy for her to use. If you don't have this kind of bottle, you can store it in an empty shower or shampoo bottle. So wet your skin while you're in the shower. Squeeze a generous amount and massage gently for about 1 to 2 minutes using firm circular motion. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse off. This is an ultimate complexion polishing pack that deep cleanses and moisturizes to reveal naturally glowing skin. It helps detan skin, illuminates skin color, repairs pigmentation, uneven skin tone and marks, and promotes cell growth. So friends, give it a try and use this body pack 3 times in a week. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends. If you want to see more such amazing natural beauty and weight loss tips, then subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye.